Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach about NDA biology portions. Okay, the last video what I had uploaded yesterday. On that video, I had got a comment saying in Hindi that सर अगर एनडीए का बायोलॉजी पोर्शन पढ़ा सकते तो बोल के. So I was like, yeah, why not? So today we are gonna start NDA biology portion. So in this session, we are going to study about what is the main portion for NDA, and also we are going to see the analysis, the question paper analysis, and that means on what topic, how many questions were asked. Okay, yeah. So starting with the thing, NDA biology portion. Yes. So the portion. Here we are gonna see section C. Section C is of biology. That means section B and section A is of physics and chemistry. Okay, so section A is physics, section B is chemistry, and section C is zoology, uh, biology. Okay, which includes both botany and zoology. Okay, so this is also called as general science, as you can see over here. It's written in bracket. So the first topic what we are going to study is difference between living and non-living things. Okay, this is very basic topic. Okay, the difference between living and non-living things. Okay, now the basis of life. So this is the second point, the basis of life, that is the cell and the protoplasm. Okay, so we're going to study about the cell, that means the cell organelles, then the protoplasm which we see in the cell. Okay, and also tissues. There are many kinds of tissues both in plants and animals, so we're going to study about the tissues of both plants and animals. The tissues of plants, okay, I have already discussed. Okay, these tissues, the parenchyma, the collenchyma and all, this is currently going in the normal biology sections. Okay, if you want to study this topic at the present, you can go to those videos. Then we also have growth and reproduction in plants and animals. Okay, this topic is really very easy. Okay, both the growth and the reproduction in plants and animals is easy. Then they are saying about the elementary knowledge. So they are saying, they are mentioning elementary knowledge, that means बेसिक ऊपर ऊपर का जो नॉलेज होता है ना उसे. द एलिमेंट्री नॉलेज ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी एंड इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन. सो द बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी, व्हाट इज ह्यूमन बॉडी एंड ऑल इट्स organs, important organs like stomach is there, pancreas is there, reproductive systems are there, huh? And then we have muscular systems and all, huh? Nervous system. Then common epidemic at their causes and prevention. Okay, so this is a topic like disaster management kind of thing. Okay, then source of energy for man. Okay, so this is a topic related to this only. Then the next topic is constituents of food and a balanced diet. Okay, so what are the main constituents of food? Okay, we're going to study about the main constituents of food, like the carbohydrates, the fats, the lipids and all. Then the balanced diet, what we had learned up till class 10. Okay, that balanced diet we're going to discuss once again. The solar system, the meteors, comics, eclipse, and yeah, this topic, this actually comes under geography according to my knowledge. I don't know why they have given over here, but yeah, we'll try to look over this topic also. I'm not sure about this topic, but yeah, I'll try to complete at least a part of it. Yes, it's okay. Then achievements of scientists, so this also can be done. Okay, next. Okay, so the analysis, the question paper analysis of biology section. Okay, so mainly we have how many, like 11 chapters. Okay, the structural organization. Okay, it should be organization, not D. The structural organization of cell. Okay, in 2019 first paper we have 4 marks. In 2019 the second paper NDA 2 we have 4 questions from this. So that means this is a very important chapter. We need to complete this thoroughly. structural organization of cells. So the components of cells, the protoplasm. Okay, we have to study it in detail. So this is very important. 4 marks are over here. That means एक चैप्टर से अगर 4 मार्क्स आ रहे देन ये तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक तो हुआ हमारे लिए. तो वी नीड टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट मोर ऑन दिस चैप्टर. सी द ट्रेंड, आप ट्रेंड को देखते जाओ. यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ पे 4, यहाँ पे 4, यहाँ पे 3, 1. 2017 1 फर्स्ट पेपर में कम जो वेटेज है इस चैप्टर को मिला है. बट फिर से आप देखिए यहाँ पे 2, यहाँ पे 2 और यहाँ पे 5. दैट मीन्स इट्स लाइक ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है. ये तो हमें पता चल रहा है ट्रेंड से. नेक्स्ट, बैलेंस्ड डाइट. 2019 में कोई क्वेश्चंस नहीं आए थे. 2019 सेकेंड पेपर में 2 क्वेश्चंस आए. फिर 2018 फर्स्ट पेपर में 2, सेकेंड पेपर में 2, 17 फर्स्ट पेपर में 3 आए थे. सो दिस ऑल्सो कैरीज अ मेजर मार्क्स. तो लाइक सी ओके, नाउ विल डू इट फॉर 2022, सॉरी 2022 का क्वेश्चन पेपर. लाइक विल जस्ट थिंक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस माइट कम. यहाँ पे 4-4 मार्क्स दे रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स वी कैन टेक एटलीस्ट 3 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दिस. ओके, yeah, 3 questions. Over here they are giving 2 2 2 2 and 3 5. So this is also a bit important, so we'll take 3 over here also. Okay, then vascular systems is there. Here in 2019 there were 2 questions and then no question, no question. Here 1 question, here 2 questions, so we'll take 2 questions from vascular system. Okay, then comes endocrine system. 1 question, 1 question, 1 question, 2 questions. So we can take 1 question from endocrine system can arrive, है ना. Then reproductive system, there were no questions for continue 4 papers, and then we have 1 question, again no question, again 1 question, and then again no question. So we can expect 1 question from reproductive system. Then comes nervous system. Okay, so for continuous 5 years we had 1 question, so we can say 1 question is there. Then excretory system, no questions for 4 marks, 4 years, and then we had 1 question in 2017 first paper, so we can expect over here also. Then respiration, 2019 first paper did not have, and then 2018 second paper did not have, and then like at least okay, if you see the trend, that means respiration एक साल में एक क्वेश्चन तो ज़रूर आएगा. So who knows if they give it in your question paper. So let us take over here 1. Okay, okay, so here we can take it as to be 1 question. Then comes skeletal system, no question at all, but still we'll consider here 1 question. Who knows if they give for us, we were lucky enough to solve this question. Then I think this is human diseases. Okay, so here 3 question, 2 questions, so let us take it as to be 3 questions. Then miscellaneous, let us take 2 questions. Okay, so here the first chapter which has most weightage is chapter 11, that or chapter 1, which is structural organization of cell. Then comes balanced diet. So these are 2 very important chapters. Then come vascular bundles. Yes, this is also important. And then comes human diseases, and then miscellaneous is not a chapter at all. Yeah, so miscellaneous questions are also asked most of the time. So here we are seeing that structural organization of cell is really very important. Okay, structural organization of cell, in this chapter mostly we are going to discuss about the cell. Okay, the structural unit of all living beings, that is cell. Okay, the components of cell. See, the main components of cells. Okay, mitochondria is there, Golgi complex are there, endoplasmic reticulums are there, rough is there, smooth is there. Yeah, nucleus is there. So all these things, and also in nucleus we have DNA, we have RNA. There are so many things to discuss about. So we need structural organization of cell. That is the most important. Then balanced diet. What is balanced diet? From which food we get more carbohydrates? From which food we get more like proteins? more fat. Okay, that we are going to discuss in balanced diet. Then comes vascular system as in plants. So what is xylem, what is phloem, what are the elements of xylem and phloem, huh? And what kind of combinations to be seen in what kind of plants. Okay, that is all going to be studied. Then comes endocrine system. Okay, endocrine system, and then we have exocrine system also. No, we don't have exocrine system. So these are two endocrine and exocrine systems are there. Okay, that is hormones produced. Okay, and also the secretions produced by the body. Then the reproductive system, mostly plants and animals. So we are going to study about flowers. We are going to study about male reproductive part of the flower, female reproductive part of the flower. Yeah, this all we are going to study. And then yeah, also the male reproductive system and the female reproductive system in human beings. Okay, then we will study about nervous system. What is CNS, what is PNS, how the brain is formed, how the neurons transmit the nerve impulse, huh? How the signal move from one part to the other part, and then again the action and reaction mechanism taking place. Also it is called as uh, yeah, I am not remembering the exact line, knee jerk mechanism. Exactly, the knee jerk mechanism we are going to study. Yes, then we have excretory system. Excretory system is like urine formation. So filtration is there, ultrafiltration is there, and counter current mechanism is there. So we're going to study about all these things in excretory system. Then respiratory system is there, how the respiration takes place, respiratory volumes, respiratory capacities. Okay, these are the most important part of in respiratory system. Then skeletal system, the bones, okay, the ligaments, okay, the skeletal system, how many bones are there, and also what kind of joints are there. Yes, everything we are going to study. So we are going to study everything about that. Okay. Uh, yes, I think I have conveyed my message. Yes, thank you.